Haldi or turmeric has always been intrinsic to Indian food and skincare, all thanks to its antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, and vitamin C content. This spice has long been used in condiments, cuisine, and textile dyes, apart from being used medically. In traditional Indian Ayurvedic medicine, it has long been used as a cure for ailments like skin disorders, allergies, and joint discomfort. In fact, if you're looking for a detox, the health benefits of turmeric water can astound you. Number 1. Improves skin health. Turmeric is known to purify the blood as it helps to remove toxins. The antioxidants present in it help the cells from damage, brighten the skin tone and slow down the aging process. Turmeric water makes the skin more radiant and healthier. Number 2. Boosts the immunity. Lastly, turmeric water helps in building a robust immune system. Turmeric has antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antiviral properties, which has made it a global sensation for a healthy immune system. Number 3. Reduces inflammation. A warm glass of turmeric water at night can help your body to fight inflammation. The anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric help in fighting the symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis and chronic inflammatory disorder. Turmeric water also eases the pain in the joints of the elderly. Number 4. Prevents Alzheimer's disease. Medical science still hasn't found a cure for Alzheimer's disease, making it essential to prevent it from occurring. Turmeric contains curcumin, which helps in inflammation and oxidative damage, which are the major causes of the disease. Number 5. Improves your bowel movements. Turmeric is known to boost your digestion by increasing the production of bile in the gallbladder and other digestive enzymes. Turmeric helps with reducing the symptoms of bloating and boosting your metabolism. A robust metabolism system also helps with weight loss. Number 6. Prevents heart diseases. More often than not, heart diseases are caused by an increased level of cholesterol. Turmeric is known to lower cholesterol levels and improve the lining of blood vessels. It also helps in regulating blood pressure and blood clotting. For ages, turmeric has been found to heal and cure many ailments in our body and is an indispensable part of the Indian spice palette. Other than adding a teaspoon of turmeric powder to your meals, you can have turmeric water every day for additional benefits. You can have a glass of warm turmeric water, with a teaspoon of honey for added taste, before breakfast, or at night before you go to bed. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.